All right, let's talk about a question that every group training gym owner hears most likely all the time. Hey, do you offer unlimited? Well, here's the deal. If you've been offering it, you're probably getting hammered on your margins. And if you haven't been, you're probably afraid that you're leaving money on the table. Well, today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to keep your margins super high, your clients extremely happy, and your gym very profitable without ever offering unlimited. If you're new here, my name is Cale Owen, CEO of Gym Launch, one of the largest gym business coaching companies in the world. We've worked with over 6,000 gyms in over 30 countries, helping them get more members, more profit, and most importantly, more freedom. Now, here's the truth about unlimited memberships. They feel valuable, but they aren't. Why? It's because unlimited means nothing. There's no perceived scarcity. It turns your service basically into a commodity. And guess what happens when something feels unlimited? It goes unused. And when it goes unused, it gets canceled. And when it gets canceled, your reoccurring revenue takes a hit. Plus, the average gym member of a group training facility only attends usually about 3 times a week. So this isn't about being greedy in your business. It's actually about running a smart business that can be profitable so it can stay open long enough to help more people. Because that's the entire goal of this business, right? We want to be able to help more people. So what do you do when your members, the ones who want to come 5, 6, 7 days a week, ask for more access? Well, you've got 3 options that you can go with. One, you can give it to them, right? But then you have to give everyone unlimited, and then we're back to the unlimited problem. Number 2, you can just say, sorry, no can do, but that's not a great experience for your clients, and ultimately it's just gonna come back and they're gonna probably start looking somewhere else. So how do you make it a win-win situation for both you and the client? Well, that's option number 3, what we call the class card upsell. And here's the move. You sell them a discounted pack of 50 or 100 extra sessions. But, and this is super key when you do this, these packs that you sell have to come with 3 rules. Number 1, they must have an active membership. No membership, no discounted pack access. Number 2, they can only use the extra sessions after they've hit their weekly limit, whether it's 2 times or 3 times a week. For example, if they have a 3 times a week membership, they have to use the 3 sessions up in that week. So maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then they can dip into their class pack for another session, 1 or 2, depending on how much they want. Because again, they can use those 50 sessions or 100 sessions as fast as they want to, but they can't dip into them in the week until after they've already hit their limit. Number 3, the packs expire in 12 months. Use it or lose it. And the best part about this is that you get the benefit of increased cash flow by selling these packs without losing reoccurring revenue, while your members get the flexibility that they want. And all of this doesn't break your membership model. Now, here's something that's really important. Don't get soft here. You discount the per session rate, but only slightly. Think like 10 to 20% off your standard class rate. And here's an example. If your per session rate is $16 per class, for example, if you do $49 per week for 3 times a week, that's roughly $16 per session. So that is your per session rate for a membership. Then what you do is on your 50 pack, you might do $14 a session, which comes out to $700 when they pay it in full. And then that 100 pack could be $12 a session, which would be $1,200, right? Now imagine if you sold 1 or 2 of these a month without losing the reoccurring billing that you have on those memberships. Be pretty awesome, right? That's a beautiful part about this. And they're not buying unlimited. They're buying access and they're paying for it. And that's what creates commitment. That's what keeps your churn low. That's what keeps profit high. And really important here, you don't make this membership or this option known on the front end. So when people are coming in and they're trying to join the gym and they ask right away, you don't even have to bring it up. Just get them started. And then what you want to do is you want to wait. When a member says, I wish I could come more, or is there any way that I could come a couple more times a week? Do you have unlimited? That's your green light. That's when you say, we've actually got a few premium class packs available for members just like you who want more access. Most people grab the 100 pack, but we also have a 50 pack available, and they just use it on the days that they need an extra workout. Now, by doing that, you just provided a solution to a problem that your clients have. And they're not gonna go start looking somewhere else, right? They're gonna make sure that they stay here at your facility. It's a win for them, and it's a big win for your business. Now this works because it respects the member and it protects your business. There's no monthly unlimited to cancel when motivation drops. There's no discounting your core offer. You're not turning your program into a cheap buffet. You're simply giving them more in a way that pays you more. So here's what you need to do to implement this today. Step 1, go into your CRM and build out 2 new membership plans. One is for a 50 session pack and one is for a 100 session pack. Step number 2 is price them based on your current session rate. Take 10 to 25% off depending on which one you want, right? And you can choose the percentage off, whatever you want. Just make sure that you're actually making some money on it. Step number 3, train your coaches and your front desk staff on how to pitch it naturally when members ask for more access. And then you can also go a step further and you can commission them on that sale. So you can say that if anybody ever mentions that they wish they'd come more, if you sell this, you can get a commission for it. And the best part about this is that this should honestly be the easiest upsell in your gym. Now, if you want more plays like this, more hidden levers that unlock profit, I created the Gym Profit Playbook, which has 8 other ways that you can get more members, make them worth more, and keep them longer. You can grab this for free by hitting the link in the description below. And if you want more content like this, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next video.